Here's the tutorial for Hurt by Johnny Cash. The chords you need for this song are A minor, C, D suspended, and when the chorus comes, F and G. The first chord is A minor. Open A, second finger, second fret, D string, third finger, second fret, G string, first finger, first fret, B string, open E. Once you have your A minor chord down, the plucking is like this. The thumb plucks the A string, the index plucks the D string, 1 and 2. And then on beat 2, we do a down strum with the index finger like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. That's the rhythm. The next chord is C major. Your third finger goes on the third fret of the A string. Middle finger goes on the second fret of the D string. Open G. First finger, first fret, B string. And the plucking pattern is a little different from the first bar of the song. For the C chord, the plucking pattern is thumb, index, middle and ring on G and B, like this, and then index on D. So far we have this. Again. The next chord is a D suspended. This one has open D, then first finger, second fret, G, third finger, third fret, B string, and then open E. The plucking pattern is like this. The thumb plucks the open D, the index plucks the G, and the middle and ring pluck the B and E strings like this. And then the thumb will pluck the G string. So far, we have this. On the chorus. For the chorus, we have A minor, F, C, and G. The F chord is played with the first finger on the first fret of the E string, the third finger on the third fret of the A string, the pinky on the third fret of the D string, and the middle finger on the second fret of the G string. So on What Have I Become? Then it goes to the F, C, then on the G chord, we can make it a lot simpler by doing this. The middle finger goes on the third fret of the E string, and then I'm just muting the A string with my middle finger. So I have 3 on the third fret of the E, muting the A string, and then open D, open G, open B. Now if you want, you could hold down this G when you when you strum the G chord, 3rd fret of the E string. Or you could just keep it extra simple and just avoid that high E, and then your G will just be like this. And then it goes back to the original plucking pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Hurt by Johnny Cash. If you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, drop a like, and check back every week for more lesson videos. If you have any song requests, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Thank you, and have a great day.